Hi everyone, I'm John Sedgwick, and for today's PDQ-PD I'd like to show you a Google extension that will allow you to insert extensive writing comments as canned comments into a writing document. The extension is called eComments, and you can find that from your Google Web Store. Just search for eComments, and when you get to this page, click the blue box, which in your case will probably say Add to Chrome. I've already added that. So now I'm going to go to a document and show you how this works. I've got a document here, and first thing I need to do is open the extension. So I will go up here to my extensions bar, and I'll scroll over the icon for eComments. First thing I need to do is turn it on by using this toggle switch, and you can see that the comments pop up here in the right panel. To insert a comment, it's just like any other comment program. You select the text, and then go over here to your choices, and as you scroll over the options, it will show you what's going to be inserted. So I'm going to select one just arbitrarily here, and when I select that, you can see a little bit that the comment has been inserted. Now, one of the problems I have with this particular extension is the way it's lined up here on the right hand side, it blocks the comment as it's inserted, but there's a pretty easy fix to that. You can see here at the top there is an option to hide the eComments. When you click that button, it hides all of them, but it shows you what has been inserted here. If you want to edit the comment after it's been inserted, you can simply select Show More and then edit it as you would like. I'm going to turn this back on. So that's how you use it in general. Now you have some other options here. If you want to edit one of the comments specifically so that it's different all time, you can go to the comment, and let's find a little bit longer one here. You can go to a comment, right click on it, and it opens an edit box. And in this case, you can edit whatever you would like, cut it or add to it, type in extra, and then you would click save, and it would save your edit, and from then on you would be using the edit as you selected it. So that's how you would edit an existing comment. If you want to create your own comment, and this is where you can use it for subjects outside of ELA, you can select the plus sign here, and you can put in your own comment. Now this doesn't have to be about vocabulary or punctuation or anything like that. It can just be a content comment if you want to add this for subjects other than ELA. You would type in your comment here, give it a name, and once you hit save, it would add your little abbreviated name to the list of canned responses. Now another option that I really like on here is the ability to add audio and video comments. You can either add them specifically by this document, or you can add them to your list to choose later. And to do that, you can see over here under the categories at the very bottom, there's a microphone and a movie camera. So to use this, I'm going to click on the add video comment. You can see it brings up a window here. I can start recording. Be sure that when you are entering comments into your documents that you be careful not to use words that you don't really need. Recording. Be sure that when you are, and you can see that the recording is here. I have the option to save to dock or slide, or I can save it to the comments menu. If I save it to the comments menu, I'll need to give it a title, but it will then be inserted. And the same thing if you wanted to record just an audio comment, which for a lot of people is a lot more comfortable than having the video looking you in the face. So that's how you add the audio and video comments. And then one more thing, I'm going to go down here in the bottom. This is a cool little ad. If you go to switch set, you can see here that you have comment sets that are specifically created for grades 3 through 6, 6 through 9, 9 through 12, or just college or the workplace. To switch that, you select the bubble that you want and select switch comment set, and now the comments are for that grade level, which will make it a little bit easier depending on the grade levels that you're teaching to get some specific comments that apply directly to what you're doing. So that is the eComment extension for Google Docs. You can also use this in Google Slides as well. This should make your grading easier and faster, but more importantly gives your students some more extensive feedback than simply a 1 or 2 word comment. I hope this is helpful to you, and as always, have a great day.